Okay, here we are doing some pool steps. We have gotten to finish epoxying all the holes and the bubbles. Primered it white, painted a second coat white, and then we cleared in the vertical flakes. Now we're going to come in and do the actual treads a little bit darker. Alright. Get a video in the sun after a while. Okay, here's a finished video of the steps, and it has polyphatic glazes, white primer, white second coat, 3 coats of polyphatic, and then a top coat of underwater dive and slide polyurethane. So again, this is all cracked and bubbled and sanded the bubbles out. There's 2 big cracks right in the bottom here, totally sealed and good to go. So their option, weren't very good. They don't make this step anymore, and they would have had to re-pour the concrete for the footer of the pool and re-pour the deck. So saved them considerable amounts of money and grief. Big pool.